Moglynet is a training program granted by the European Commission in the framework of Horizon 2020 Marie Skłodowska-Curie program. The consortium is formed by 5 universities, by 7 European industrial partners, and by the European Industrial Pharmacy Group. All the members of the consortium joined their forces to train 12 early-stage researchers in a drug discovery and development European joint doctorate.
Applicants to the project were characterized to hold or a second level master degree or a single cycle degree. We received 60 applications covering different fields from chemistry, biology, medicinal chemistry to biochemistry. And that's the reason why the board has been characterized by expertise from different universities covering the different fields. We have 2 steps. The first step was the evaluation of the curricula of the applicants, followed by a Skype interview. 43 of them received the interview and we selected 12 applicants. So at the moment we have 12 people working as a PhD fellow in the Moglynet program.
Hi, I'm Marica, I'm Italian, I'm one of the ESR involved in the Moglynet project. I get aware about this project looking in the EuroAxis website, and now I'm really happy to be part of all of this because I really think that it can help me to become a real professional in this scientific environment.
European Commission has identified active and healthy aging as one of the major social challenges common to all European countries, and an area which presents considerable potential for Europe to lead the world in providing innovative responses to this challenge. The risk of atherosclerotic cardiovascular disease increases with aging and is the major cause of death in Western world.
Atherosclerosis is a chronic inflammatory disorder of the arterial wall with a high mortality due to acute cardiac events. And despite the extensive use of lipid-lowering drugs, heart attacks still occur in more than 500,000 people every year in the European Union. Therefore, additional therapies are needed to prevent plaque formation or to make existing plaques less vulnerable. In the Moglynet project, we examine whether the metabolism of endothelial cells contributes to plaque formation and plaque instability, and whether it can serve as a target for novel drugs.
To reach this target, a multidisciplinary approach is needed. Drug design, chemical synthesis of new drugs, validation in cellular and animal models, and imaging studies are performed. Developing interdisciplinary skills needing Pharma to accelerate the path from the target to the pill in the actual era of personalized medicine will be the main goal of Moglynet program.
The Moglynet Consortium offers a very rich training program to its 12 early-stage researchers. Each of them is enrolled in a PhD course, and the program consists of a broad range of activities ranging from summer schools organized at the different beneficiaries and industrial partners, of workshops and advanced scientific courses, including 6-month secondments, which are meant to allow the researchers to acquire new research skills, as well as shorter 1 to 3 month industrial secondments to be trained in complementary and transferable skills. In total, Moglynet will award 180 European credit transfer units over the 3 years of PhD, and it's important to mention that some of the training activities offered by Moglynet are open to the general public and to PhD students not directly involved in the consortium.
My name is Besa and I work at University of Antwerp. The Moglynet is a PhD program that distinguishes itself by offering advanced courses and summer schools. These opportunities are invaluable in broadening our scope and practical expertise. In this way, I trust that this program will help us develop into creative thinking and well-rounded scientists.
Hi, I'm Virginia. By doing a PhD, you have the opportunity to undertake a broad range of courses and activities that help you to develop many different skills and abilities, not only related to your specific research area, but most of them are perfectly transferable, meaning they're going to serve you in many different jobs and circumstances.
Hi, I'm Anahita. I'm from the Netherlands. I started my PhD with an industrial secondment at Biomax in Munich, where I've learned to design a disease map around our target PFKB3. This gave me the opportunity to learn the basics in programming and get acquainted in bioinformatics. After those 3 months, I started with in vitro studies at the University of Milano, where I've been testing new compounds. And I have to say, new results are quite exciting.
My name is Paola Perrotta and I am a PhD student in the Moglynet European program. My research project is part of an active collaboration between the University of Antwerp and the University of Leiden. An advantage of this PhD program is the unique opportunity of being exposed to multiple training experiences and international collaborations. I'm confident to say that this diverse and multidisciplinary experience will guide our preparation for job market and our future career.
For young scientists, it's not only important to become a good researcher and to become a true expert in their field, they also need to know how to present their research and their data obtained. That's important, and then I don't mean not presenting only for colleagues, but also to the general public. For this, the ESRs gathered together in Leiden for training with professional trainers on their presentation skills. They were trained with camera feedback and feedback on their presentation in English and etc. And I'm very proud to tell you that after this training, several of the ESRs of the Moglynet program got prizes for their presentations at congresses.
Welcome to the University of Milano for our midterm review meeting on the Moglynet program.
I'm very happy to be in this project where so many pharmacists, both the PIs and students, are here doing such an interesting work.
I'm happy to be here. Looks like it's a very nice project anyway, from what I've seen till now. And yeah, we've got a nice mix of people, and I'm looking forward to the presentations.
What is my role in this consortium? There is people working on targeting, on production of PFKF3 inhibitors, on in vitro validation. But I'm focused on the last part of our plan, so in vivo validation of our inhibitors using the vein graft model, and on the imaging of intraplaque angiogenesis using PET, near-infrared and 2-photon.
I realize it is important to learn how to present my results to the public, not only to the scientific community, but to the general public also. And I really enjoy the setting up and the maintaining of the Facebook page of the Moglynet, because I think it's a nice way to share our progresses with people. And I hope one day I will be able to
present my results in symposia and congresses.
We need a new PET tracer specific for atherosclerosis, and this is exactly the aim of my project. So in conclusion, I synthesized the non-radioactive PET tracer, the precursor for the hot synthesis, and the synthesis has been already optimized. So we are ready for the next works, which are the in vitro and vivo imaging studies, biodistribution study, and ex vivo imaging studies.
A doctorate that brings together different cultures and experts all around Europe is something that really values and really brings more expertise in the field. And by this collaboration, I feel that we get so much more. EIPG is really willing to support and be a partner for this fruitful collaboration, finding new solutions for the students and the pharma industry work together.
After 2 years' work this scientific project, I believe that the main task of a project manager is to be a facilitator, a catalyst. In our project are involved 12 students coming from China, India and Europe, 7 European industries and 5 European universities. Each of them carry habits, traditions and rules and have to deal with different national laws. The challenge is to overcome all these barriers and permit to each ESRs and all Moglynet Consortium members to reach the expected scientific goals in the easiest and faster way.